This tutorial shows you how to add a video to the Welcome widget. If you don't have a welcome unit, let's go ahead and create one. First, I'll click New Unit. Next, enter a name. It must contain welcome within it. The name I chose is Weekly Overview Welcome. You can choose any name you want. Next, click Save and Close. The unit will display at the bottom. I like it to be second, right below the Start Here unit. Right now, as you can see, it's hidden. Obviously, I don't want it to be hidden, so I'll go ahead and make it visible. Then I want to create a new page for my Week 1 overview. Click on New, select Page. For the page title, you can choose whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. I call it Module 1 Overview. From there, the biggest mistake I see is that they will actually paste in the code that I provide within the body of the message. It will not work that way. You actually have to click on the Source Code button. You're going to see Existing Source Code. Remove the existing source code. From here, copy the source code I provided in the email and paste it into the source code window. Then you simply click Save, and you will see the outcome of the source code right away. Just make sure you enter the code within the source code window. From here, you don't want to just click Save and Close. You want to select Availability Dates. And the reason is, I only want my students to see one video at a time. Whatever module it is, that's the video I want them to see. So obviously I don't need to enter a start date for Mod 1. It should display right away. But I do want it to end, so I will end it on Sunday at midnight. Now that's my preference, and you can choose the date that works for your course. From here, you can simply click Save and Close. Then again, right now it's showing that the page is hidden. I don't want to hide it. I want to make it visible. I always like to test it. So if I come up top and click on the title of the course, I should get a pop-up. It says, Module 1 Overview. I also like to come up top and click View as Learner, just to make sure they see it as well. If it's hidden, you will still see it, but they won't. So a lot of times I'll catch myself where I go here, and I'm like, oh, they don't see it. That's because it's hidden. So I have to either adjust it to display, or adjust the dates so they see it as well. The best part is, and this is why I love the Welcome widget, it pops up in their face. That doesn't mean all students will watch it, but if I can get their attention, I feel like I'm ahead of the game. That concludes the video. As always, please reach out if you have any questions. Take care, everyone.